You know you struggling in the market. Man, click this link, hop on these free sessions Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's 100% free. I'm not going to sell you a course or any of that type of things. Just get it while it is free. Because I'm telling you later on it's not. So, I'm going to tell you straight up. Because the last, 22 days, we've only lost once. Live. Live. So hop on these sessions. What are you waiting for?
Oh, this actually should not be a deload, so this should be good. This should be good. Hope you guys are ready. Look, we're gonna try to get in, get out, get our 250 plus, and let it ride. We got 1 minute on this play. I hope you guys are ready. This is a trap day, so let's go ahead and do this. Let's get this. Let's get this. We also got a NAS 5 minute at the same time. Hold on, I gotta check this out. We got 1 minute on here. Do we have a NAS 5 minute at the same time? No, we don't. I'm about to say, if we got one at the same time, that's crazy. Oh, I think we do. We do. We got a NAS 5 minute at the same time. 31 seconds. And then if we can get the solidification of the 5 minute one, this is about to be a nasty play today. This is about to be a nasty sell today. If we can get this 5 minutes to solidify, this is about to be a nasty one. So guys, I hope you guys are ready for this one. All right, we cannot get this thing to rise like crazy afterwards. Should be fine. We are in a trap day. Let's good. Let's be good. All right, here it goes, guys. All right, guys, I am selling NAS. Let's get it. Small position on the first one. Small position on the first one. All right, so guys, let's go ahead and get this. I'm about to drop these lines. All right, we have our first small position at the bottom. You should be in profit right now. All right, you should be in profit. You should be in profit. They're not even letting. Dang, we're already going. We're already going. We're already going. We're already going. All right, let's get us a nice little pullback. If we get a pullback here, it would be beautiful. If we get a pullback there, it would be beautiful. But they're not even trying to give it to us. They're not even trying to give it to us. They're not trying to give it to us. We're trying to get that 250 though. All right, so let's get it. Boom. That's about 300 there. Let's go ahead and get this real quick. Oh man, we're already there. We're already going already. We're already going now. Stay in the trade, guys. Stay in the trade. 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 If we can get a pullback, that'll be beautiful though. All right, so hold on. We got solidification on 5 minutes. This is gonna be a longer trade, guys. Longer trade. Absolutely. You guys should be up a bag right now, like a nasty bag. All right, we're done. 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 Go break even. Enjoy. Great job, guys. Great job, guys. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Break even. Let's go. Secured. We got even SPX coming up as well, too. We're done. Yo, this is what we do. Break even on the last. If you have my double, because you guys know I double position. All right. You know what? It's a trap day. F this. I'm done. I'm good. 500 pips. I got 500.